welcome back. So my guest client today is Jessica Michelle Singleton.
Same as I had bought you.
She is a funny person for a living.
I am. I'm a stand-up comedian.
You're sitting down right now, though.
I know.
So she's a sitting stand-up comedian, and today we are going to show you guys how to get like a really quick complexion look done. So off camera, I already did her eyes. We got eyebrows set and ready to go. So
amazing. Thank you. Gonna make my face all, gonna look healthy in one color.
Beat it up. So always number one step. Clean face. You washed your face.
I did.
Yes.
Look at me. I'm a hero.
Not all heroes wear capes. We're gonna start off with our Aloe Mist from MINISO. So go ahead and close your eyes. I'm gonna spray that sucker all over. Ooh. So right now, so your skin, how does it normally feel?
It's pretty normal. I think it doesn't get too greasy.
Perfect. So she's not dry. You're not oily,
Really? Yeah.
You're kind of in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this GLAMGLOW Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer.
Ooh,
Illuminating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of that product. So we've already prepped with our face mist and our moisturizer. We're gonna go right into priming. So today we're gonna be using the NYX Hydra Touch. I would say this is a dupe for the Laura Mercier moisturizing primer. So I'm just gonna, I love that stuff.
That's the one I just ran out of, and I'm like, I have nothing.
So very, very small amount here in my hands. Gonna warm it up. We're gonna start from the center out. All right, so we've got the skin nice and prepped. Let's get on to concealer. All right, so we are going to use the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Concealer in the shade, it's just called Peach. In my previous video, I stated that with a deeper skin tone, you want to use orange. However, you're really fair. So we are going to use more of a peach tone to color correct any darkness under the eyes. And always, we're just using our ring finger, make it nice and soft. You want to blend from the inside out. Doing so will also drain any sinus fluid underneath the eyes.
Oh.
Yeah, so it gets rid of that puffy appearance. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So we color corrected under the eyes, but we're a little flush here in the face, so we want to color correct on the face. I'm using a Makeup Forever Step 1 primer in yellow, but it's in a little sample jar because when you run out of things, you gotta run to Sephora and grab a sample.
I'm a big fan of samples.
Me too. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this yellow primer and we're gonna push it from the inside out. We're using a color correcting primer rather than a cream concealer because we're kind of color correcting a larger area of the face and not just targeting certain points. All right, so we are prepped and ready to go for our foundation. It's the MILANI Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I do keep this in my kit.
You do? Oh, I'm so honored. I literally, you guys, I know nothing of makeup, and I was like, drugstore, that, and I squeezed it, and I was like, this seems like my color, and then
you know what?
Slowly, I think I've gotten paler, and here
That's
we are.
Right. We'll make it work. I got a clean and damp beauty blender. We're gonna start applying this sucker on.
Yay! I already feel beautiful.
You are beautiful.
No matter what they say. Wait, that's a really messed up phrase. No matter how many people tell you you're ugly, you're not.
Gotta get the foundation on the other side. I avoided the under eye area because it's as thin as a one-ply tissue. The rest of the face, The rest of the face can take a beating like construction paper. Blop, blop, blop. So I know you were saying earlier that you are a little bit lighter than you used to be when you bought this foundation.
Yeah, I was in New York in the winter time.
Key to that is going to be blending it down your neck.
So just going all the way down.
Yeah, into your décolleté. Especially
décolleté?
Yes.
What a fun word.
In France, your face is not only your face, but it actually continues down to the décolleté.
Ah,
so, yeah.
Mon décolleté. Almost. Oui.
So we have on our foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our concealer. This one is from Bare Minerals. It is their BARESKIN Serum Concealer. It's in shade medium. What's cool about this is not only is it gonna brighten you right on the spot, but over time, it actually has a serum in it that is going to hydrate more and brighten. We're applying the concealer in a V shape, which is called the V of Light. So since the concealer shade is a lot lighter than your foundation, it's gonna cause a brightening effect. Voila, we've got our foundation, we've got our concealer. I am not ready to set yet because I brought over a cream blush. The Chubby stick from Clinique, and this guy is amped up apple.
Oh, yay!
Right.
I'm never sure how to do it. This is interesting. I'm always intimidated by cream blushes.
So, I mean, it's unnecessary to do this quickly. I just want it to be extra. This is more of a natural looking blush color. And it also can be used on the lips. And always remember, you guys, a 2-finger space between the nose and the cheeks, so that way we are lifting the face and not dragging it down. Wow, you look so glowy.
Ooh, yay.
Now we're done with all of our cream and liquid products. We just got a couple of things left to go and you'll be stage ready.
Yay, I'm on my way.
So, with my damp beauty blender, I actually like to set with it. So I have the Kat Von D setting powder. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this guy here. The best way to set powder, especially on your client, is if you have them look down like they're planning something evil, but then look straight, and it will stretch out this under eye area the best. So natural to you.
Yeah, this is my normal look.
We're setting our V of light. I don't recommend baking on everybody, especially clients with like drier skin. And I'm also going to put a lot of setting powder here on the forehead because since you are going to be on stage tonight, yes, you want to make sure your makeup does not melt off with all the lighting.
Oh, good call. I'm doing a big festival too, so it's probably gonna be some major lights.
All right, so now we're going to brush off all of this powder. All right, so now we've got our setting powder on. You don't look too dry. You still have some glistening in your skin, but you know what?
Yay.
It's not enough glistening for me.
Yay, more glisten!
Woo! Glisten up, people. We are using the PIXIE Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of this highlight, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn this way. I'm gonna focus it on like at a C shape. So you really wanna get the like highest point of your cheekbones. We just wanna blend that sucker up. So we've got on a really nice natural looking highlight, and I would like to throw on a bronzer. This is from LILAH B, and this is their Bronzed Beauty Be Sun-Kissed. One shade is really good for a very soft contour, and the other shade is good for kind of illuminizing the contour. So you wanna just make sure you use a minimal amount of product.
Keep it subtle.
And so from the tip of the ear down to Jessica's corner of her mouth, where the brush lifts off, which is usually around the arch of the brow, that's where you want to end your contour. So instead of doing a back and forth, I'm going from the tip of the ear up here and then our lift off spot.
Oh.
This is going to prevent any muddy lines. All right, so I'm gonna also take the product here, drag it down the sides of the nose. I am not focusing on this insanely. Hit up the other cheekbone. So remember, guys, tip of the ear pointing towards the corner of the mouth, and just one direction blending. Because that's what makes you beautiful.
That's what makes you beautiful.
A misconception that happens a lot is contouring the jawline. You don't want to put it on the jawline, but you want to do under and behind the ear.
Oh man, yeah. I need a natural jawline. Mine doesn't exist. My chin just mushes into my neck half the time.
You just hit up that with some bronzer.
Oh yeah.
All we have left now is to set. We're gonna go back to our MINISO mist. Go ahead and close your eyes. We're missing a little something on the lips. So going back to our Clinique Chubby stick, this guy is actually for lips and cheeks. So it's a really good product to keep in your makeup kit, your purse, or your backpack. So go ahead and rub your lips together. All right, how do you
Nice to
feel?
have a chubby stick back in my life. I feel beautiful. Thank you.
Clinique, when they first launched this product, their slogan for it was "Everyone loves a chubby."
Ah, that's a great. I hope that did people get mad?
Oh
Because
yeah, dude, people get mad all the time, so they
that's
changed
great
it.
marketing to me.
But that left such an impression on me.
I will own all of the chubby sticks now, even the shades I don't need.
They make some like creamy ones, and they also have little tints and stuff. It's so cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, JMS, for being
Thanks
here.
for making me pretty. Subscribe.
Subscribe, and I will also leave Jessica's information in the info box if you want to.
Follow me at JMS Comedy. Come see me do comedy.
She's really funny.
I am. I try.
All right, guys, thank you so much.
Bye.